Pretty fun situation on this Jeep today. We came up to these shocks and one of the bolts on the other side was loose. Like you can see the bolt backed off like that far, and we had a clunking noise in the back. If you look at this side, we've got a self-tapper here, and I thought to myself, that's strange. And we got the bushings are blown out. So we're replacing the shocks. We found out that these holes were completely rotted out of threads, and that's why the bolt was pushed back. Easy fix, grab yourself a tap the next size up and start tapping you some new threads. See, we got that side done right there. And then find new hardware. We're a little bit bigger now, so we need a little bit bigger hardware. And that's no problem for these shocks. They're this style right here. And if these new bolts are a little too big, then we can Dremel just a hair off of here. Here's the new bolts that we'll be putting in, and you can see yeah, it's a little tight. Oh, they still get in there. All right, so we don't got to trim any off. Unless the new shocks have a little smaller lip right there. Tapping them there holes out. You can put your tap right into a socket with an extender. A little ratcheting action. Spray a little lube on your threads. Feel like it's biting pretty good? Oh yeah. Right, new threads going in to the shock hardware. You can see the old hardware that came out, how the threads are just rotted away. So new threads for the vehicle, new threads on the new bolts, and these shocks won't be clinking no more. Yeah, some pretty extreme rust problem right there. And this should have been taken care of when these shocks were put on. You could tell they had problems because there's a self-tapper in the other side. So they've been rotted out a while. Other side's not looking so good. The last person that was in here, that bolt snapped off, so they just put the self-tapper in there. And this one snapped right off in there for us as well. So we got a little bit of extracting to do. A little more work on the right side. Gotta love those spider bits, guys. Mock blue spider bits.